Dogtown Sunday Funday. A warm one out here. The crowd's out. The bikers are out. Premium vibes. You already know. Fresh air. West Coast Americana. Good times. Dogtown. Biker town. Later town. Get outside. Get moving. Breathe it in. See if we can scare up some sightings. Pretty good weather for November 15th. Come on out. Visit Venice Beach. A lot of good times. Pitch a tent on the beach, whatever you want. DIY. The homies are out here. We're all out here. Catch this nice sunset coming up. Like Elvis said, gotta enjoy every day. Not here, where? Not now. When? Let's get it. Chilling. Chill. Lobster truck. Try that famous Venice Beach lobster. Good squad here. We're jamming. Love to see them jamming. Why we come out here? That good music, good inspiring street art, cool people, eclectic crowd for sure. A little slice of earth here in Doorstown. Fig slab, go up the fig slab, have a beer, have a joint. Homeless homies. Tesla, Elon. The jammers are here. They're getting it ready. They're gonna be jamming. Sunset Jam Fest. We're gonna have to check that out. We're gonna have to take a little footage for that. Playground's open. We like to see that. Be safe. Wash your hands. Sneeze into your elbow. You know the drill. New bathrooms here. Nice, nice. Now if we can only get the pier open. Open the Venice Pier. Open the basketball courts. Please, please. Got some MJ coming up. Nice grill. Howard Grill, Americana. There they go. Terrell Owens. Wow, crowd out here. We're out here. There you go, homie. Get it. He's getting it. The figgle wiggle. Pedal to the metal. Speed metal. So ganja in there. We like that. Camera work. Gotta have it. Keep it herbal. Mother Earth is the wealth. Preserve, protect, respect. Please don't litter. Good sunset coming up. Stay tuned.